Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're jumping into my Base BOXYCHARM unboxing, reveal, and review. We're going to go over everything in the box, all of the details, which variation, what products we're loving, which products we're not so happy with, and whether or not this month the base box is worth your money. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. That'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into the BOXYCHARM out of office July base box with me, stay tuned. Alright, so as I say in every unboxing, this is sent to me for reviewing purposes in PR, which means the brands send me the product for an honest review, and that means if I don't like it, I'm going to tell you. If I love it, I'm going to tell you. This is not sponsored. I'm not being paid for my opinion. This is just matter of fact what I like and what I don't. Another thing, as we're going through this, when I decide is this worth the price, I usually look at everything in the box and I say, would I be better off taking $30 and going to Ulta, Sephora, Walmart, Target, wherever you get your beauty products, Amazon, the works? Would I be better off taking 30 bucks and going shopping, or jumping into the box and seeing if the box is worth more than if I was to just go shopping? And that is how I determine if it is a good or bad box. Doesn't mean I love every product in it, but it means that it's worth more than the value associated with the cost of the box. Jumping right in, the theme of this month's box is status out of order. Status out of office. Obviously, pink, floral, blue. I'm feeling this vibe today, and I'm really excited to jump right in. Now, this is going to be variation 6, which I love a low variation. To me, that means there's not going to be a ton of variations. I used to love when BoxyCharm had like 4 variations, and it was really like which color lipstick you got and which palette you got, as opposed to now where every box is so different that you never really know what you're going to get. So for me, I like a lower variation. Jumping into the first item out of the box, this is from the brand Phase Zero. This is the Necessities Makeup Eyeshadow Palette, retailing for $40, and I do have the palette right here. These 8 universal matte shadows are incredibly buildable. They deliver smooth, high blendable color designed to create a soft blended look, retailing for $40. Now, I am looking at this, and it is not 8 matte shades. There are 4 mattes and 4 shimmers. So right off the bat, a little more versatile than just matte shades, but I already posted my premium unboxing, and I'll link it up here. When we have a palette like this one coming in premium, this one just feels lackluster, and the colors aren't very excited. They're not very, universal. It says they're universal, but if your coloring is any darker than mine, this is not going to do anything for you. Like, that's a light contour shade, but you're not going to get a smoky eye. You're not going to get any definition. So if you are fair to light like I am, this might be a good palette for you. But looking at inclusivity and maybe how this might work on people with a deeper complexion than I have, I don't think it's going to be really great for everyone, especially if you are a medium tan, deep, dark complexion. Anything in that range, it's just going to be too light for you. So for that, I'm going to pass. And this one, the Lunar Beauty Nude Prism, this one will work on deeper complexions. So it's not that BoxyCharm doesn't know how to send an inclusive palette, it's just that not every palette is inclusive. Next, a product that I've used in the past, and I don't love it, I don't hate it, but I don't really like it. This is the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream, retailing for $76, clinically tested, safe for sensitive skin, and gentle enough for all skin types. This nourishing cream is clinically formulated with moisture-boosting, visible redness-reducing ingredients known to soothe dry skin, tight skin, and inspired by the relief founder Kate experienced as a child when goat's milk helped alleviate her painful eczema. Now, as a product for eczematic skin, I definitely understand. I didn't really love it. I felt like it left me greasy, and I didn't really love that. I don't mind oils. I don't mind things that are super nourishing. This I just didn't love. I tried it a few years ago. It might be something that's worth revisiting now that my skin's a little bit drier since I live in Colorado instead of, Florida. But in general, I did not love this. And with all of the fantastic moisturizers on the market, I think I'm going to pass on this one. Next up from Eloise Beauty, this is the Prism Luxury Eyeshadow Brush Set, retailing for $22. Create any gorgeous look with this Prism Luxury Eyeshadow Brush Set. It includes 4 essential brushes that help you blend with precision to perfect and enhance any eyeshadow look, from subtle to glam. Each brush is made with super soft synthetic fibers with a sleek and sturdy holographic prism handle. Again, that retails for $22. Now, I'm not going to be doing any applications today, but I will be filming a video using all of the products from all of this month's subscription boxes at once, and we're going to put these to the test in that video, but I do want to feel them first. Another tip is I'm not going to touch these to my face. Whenever you open out of the package, I always like to give my brush a quick sanitize before I touch it to my eyes, just to be safe. Now, the brushes are definitely very soft. Just looking at this, I think these are some great shapes. You've got a nice fluffy brush just for buffing out color. You've got what I call like your staple packer brush, which I will use. Let me pull up one of mine that I know is clean. Something with that shape where you can really pack in the corner. A pencil brush for buffing in the lower lash or highlighting the inner corner. And then you've got a really nice fluffy brush like this. This one's a little worn out, so it's a little bit fluffier. But for diffusing and blending everything together, I think these are some really nice shapes, and I'll be trying this with the Lunar Beauty palette in that upcoming video. Next, from the brand Beauty for Certain, this is the Whole Lotta Mascara, volume boosting, lash doubling, insta enhancing. I put on my mascara just to go to the bodega. It's all I need to get a bold look that makes a bang. This is Beauty for Certain, retailing for $32. Now here is the tube, very chic, very cute. I will be trying this in that same video, so I am going to open it because it's been a while since I tried a new mascara. It's got your traditional hourglass shape brush, which is great for getting in. It doesn't look especially like goopy, like a very liquidy formula, so I feel like it's going to coat the lashes nicely. I am excited to give that a try. And the last item out of the box comes from Dr. Lily Pham. This is the Probiotic X Lash Enhancer for $68. This exclusive formula featuring a patented peptides complex is natural and safe to use. With clinical results, it delivers the wow effect while providing length and volume. It helps to promote the natural growth of beautifully long and healthy lashes. Apply at night to help you get gorgeous lashes. With continued use, grow longer and fuller lashes in 4 to 12 weeks. Now, I love lash enhancing serums. I like lash primers too, but in this case, we're talking about serums. And I have been a huge fan of the Grande Lash MD serum for years. I've been using that for, at this point, I want to say like 5 years, maybe longer. It is a fantastic product. I used to have like no lashes, and now I actually do. I don't use it every night anymore. Now I just try to coast, so I use it 2 to 3 times a week. So it's not that I don't think this will work. I am just super loyal to the brand I use and the brand I like, and I'm going to continue to use the one that I already know I love because I know that it works for me. That being said, this is one of those type of products where the ingredients look like they're going to help. There's some great conditioning agents in there. There's some great peptide products in there. So definitely something that'll help you to grow and condition your lashes. I just happen to have one that I already love, and I'm not willing to try anything new. That is one of those categories where I am not open to new things. Now, all in this box had a retail value of $238, which for a $30 price point is really quite fantastic. The price of the mascara pays for the box itself. And I am really excited to try the brushes, which had the $22 value. Now, these are the 2 least expensive items in the box, and they're the only 2 that I really have any interest in, which definitely worth more than the value of the box, but as far as boxes go, definitely not the best. I'm not going to say this is a win of a box. Again, I definitely got the value out of it, but, you know, I don't need mascara, and I have so many brushes. I've got 6 cups of these, and then more over there. I don't need more mascara or brushes, but they're products I'm interested in trying. So the premium box was definitely a great box. This one, definitely not it for me. So as always, let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.